In 1814, a staggering explosion reshaped London, but it wasn't from gunpowder or war. Picture this: a massive vat erupts, unleashing a tidal wave of beer through the streets of London. The London beer flood was real, and its frothy cascade left buildings shattered and residents astonished. Amidst the chaos, industrious Londoners waded through the suds to collect the spill, while others feared the city's ale supply might run dry. This unusual calamity sparked conversations on industrial safety and brewery reforms. Would you have dared to brave the beer-soaked streets?